Hey, Mike the Disgruntled Mechanic here, coming to you from the Disgruntled Mechanic Garage. Today the 6.6 liter Duramax diesel is making some noises. So in this video we're going to diagnose the engine noise and we'll go from there. I'm going to go in, I'm going to start it up, I'm going to rev it some, and you can hear the noise. Then once you hear the noise, we'll continue with the diagnostics. So let's go start it up. So I'm hoping that you heard that. Now, with standing here, I get a good idea of where the noise is coming from. And to start the diagnostics, I would probably do this either way to find out if it's an actual internal engine noise, an exterior noise. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to start it up again, and then I am going to actually show you what I think is wrong with a little bit of a diagnostics. And then we'll continue with another test just to confirm, hopefully confirm what it is, and we'll go from there. This here is a little diagnostics device that will amplify our sound. I can give props to Eric O, Jim the car guy, some of the other mechanics that have been around a while for this tip. I have the stethoscope, but this is usually what, I'll use something like this, the long screwdriver and this, or the stethoscope to actually try and find the noise. So we're going to actually start the vehicle up, and then I'm going to show you where I think the noise is pinpointed to. But that is, you can hear a lot of rocking and rolling right there on the alternator. Not so much there, but you go up top here, I can feel that coming through. So let's shut it off and we'll go from there. Actually, I'll set it on another part of the engine. That's down alongside it, and you see it's much quieter. So let's go from here. So, I went right to the alternator because I could hear it. Now, what you can also do if you're careful, I'm not going to do it, especially on camera, but normally I don't do it because my hands aren't as steady as what they once used to be. But you can go down and you can do this same concept with your idler pulleys, which are down there. If you can get in there carefully and, go on them, listen for the noise. But we're not going to do it that way. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to loosen up the belt, take the belt off, and there's two things we're going to do. You can do it either way, but I think what I'm going to do is take the belt off, then we're going to start the truck with no belt on, so the alternator and other accessories aren't spinning, and we'll see if we hear the noise. We'll rev it up a little bit. So what we'll do is we'll take the belt off now, and then we'll start it up. All right, so we got the belt off. We'll go and we'll start it up and rev it up a little bit and see if we have the noise. So as you knew when we did it, it was a constant noise with the engine, and when you revved it you heard it. Now you don't. So, you know, we're talking idler, we're talking tensioner, or we're talking alternator. So, which the culprit, which I think it is, let's just listen. Whoop! Ooh! Yeah. I don't think we have to go any further. That is, oh my gosh, that actually bound up. But while we're here, you got a couple idlers you can check, which I don't feel any play in them. You can check your tensioner. That tensioner has, I know you can't see it because all this in the way, but that tensioner does have some play in it. So that should probably be replaced also. So we'll probably order one of those while we're doing this too. So there you have it. That's basically diagnosing the engine noise. We're going to call the alternator. So next video we'll be taking the alternator off and we'll go from there. So this is Mike the Disgruntled Mechanic saying, just remember, if you can get somebody else to do it, you're probably better off. Thanks for watching. See ya.
Oh, you dirty, rotten bolt! Bolt, how could you break off? You dirty, rotten mother! Oh, dirty, rotten, how dare you break? Oh, I can't believe it broke off! Not again! Oh, man alive! Son of a... Oh, I can't believe it broke off! Jesus! No wonder I'm the disgruntled mechanic!